Hi all, so today I wanted to give a little update about my tote bag project for Evie, who is going to give workshops in Newcastle about good breast health care. It's all about preventing breast cancer, and together with the workshops she will hold an exhibition and asked me to make a tote bag, which I'm very delighted because nobody ever asked me something to create for an exhibition. So I'm very, very, very delighted. So this is the update. The tote bag, well, it's still boring. So I'm just moving on and working on it. I have a cotton one that I use to make it. So that's boring as hell. So my breast fell on the ground, so I had to pick it up. So I made I made all these kind of breasts, but I'm not happy with their shapes because somehow it occurred to me like it's just circles, and even though they have different shapes, it's still just circles and didn't feel like a real breast. So I started to add some rows at the top to make it more of a hanging shape, which will look like this. So instead of looking like this, it will be more like this. So it's not very, it wasn't a big adjustment, but it totally did the job. So that's what I'm going to do today, because it's horrible weather outside. There's a lot of raining, there's gray, and it's no fun at all. So I need all my colors to make me a little bit more happy. I've got them here. Yeah, so today I will be crocheting and ignoring the weather. Hope you have a beautiful Saturday. See you soon. Bye-bye.